Bye. Benji's saying bye with his foot. I'm gonna blow dry my dog's hair so quickly. I just filmed like a really awesome intro for this video and I wasn't recording my voice, so now I had to start it over again. Hello beautifuls! In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. I'm so excited. That sounds like a little scripted. So I'm re-recording this. So if it sounds a little like script-ish, this is why. But yeah, I am so excited to be reviewing this product for you, trying out this product for you for a few reasons. I've had this hair dryer with me in my room for 2 weeks because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I wanted to try it with you guys for the first time. So now I'm just like super excited. I'm like actually getting goosebumps because I'm just really excited about this hair dryer. I've been wanting to try this hair dryer like kind of since it came out, but more so like the past 2 years. I feel like a lot of us know when it first came out because it was known as a really expensive hair dryer. And then shortly after, people started coming out with claims saying like this is the best hair dryer. I just never could think about spending this much money on a hair dryer. But I finally caved in the past 2 years. I'm like, no, I've heard enough good things about this hair dryer. I'm finally just going to put it on my to buy list. I knew this intro wasn't going to be as good as the first one because the first one I was just like on a roll and now I'm already like forgetting what I was wanting to say. So yeah, in this video, we are going to be reviewing this hair dryer. We're going to see if it meets all of its claims. It's been about 30 minutes now. I just got out of the shower. That's got my hair in a bun. My hair is fairly wet. And I wanted this to be as true to how I normally blow dry my hair. I normally blow dry my hair after, like, I give it like a 30 minutes to an hour. Sometimes I just wait. As long as I put it in a bun, it'll stay pretty damp until I take it out. I do that for 2 reasons. One, I do it because it is healthier for your hair if you blow dry it less wet. And then I also do it because my hair turns out differently. If I blow dry my hair when it's really wet and then I straighten it, it doesn't look as good as if I wait. I'm also just really excited. This is like my first time filming in like 2 months and I ordered this from Sephora. I'm so bad with this. I don't even fully remember the price that I paid. I'm pretty sure it was $400. I was gonna have all my notes out and stuff, but I just got too excited and then I don't want my hair to dry too much. But I think I paid about $400. If I'm wrong, I'll list it. Is it $400 expensive? Oh my god. Like that's almost half the price of a freaking cell phone. Anyways, let's go and get into the box. This is what it came in. Look how humongous this thing is. Like what is freaking inside of this? It's taking me a lot of guts to come onto cam with my hair like this because I don't know, I feel like I look like a boy. Oh no. I hope that didn't show my address. Oh whoa. This is huge. This is humongous. This is a bigger box than a laptop. Fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types. That is one thing I heard about the Dyson, same thing with their straightener, is that it like works with your hair. So the way it distributes the heat will be different for everybody's hair. All right, so this is what it's looking like on the inside. I'm so worried. I feel like something is gonna go wrong with my camera or my thing. That's why I'm gonna keep checking. Okay, so first thing I'm pulling out is, oh, it's so cute, it's pink, I love it. Oh, they do have different colors. I think they have like 3 different colors. They have a black one maybe, and a silver one. I felt like I should have got the black one because, you know, it's just universal and I'll never not like it, but this is really, really, really good quality. And I know I need to work on my adjectives. Wait, is that an adjective? Really? Wait, really? Is really an adjective? Anyways, this is an extravagant hairbrush. Magnificent. Made of fine quality. Okay, Yeah, this is, oh my God. And look at this part on the bottom. You guys can't tell, but this is serious stuff. Pure metal. Oh my God. This is the nicest freaking hairbrush I've ever seen in my life. So now it comes with this attachment. This is really big, but it's a comb. And I'm not quite sure what we're supposed to do with this. Oh, wow, that feels really nice and smooth. I wasn't expecting that. Mind you, these two but don't worry, I'll make sure to list it down below. I'll list it where you guys can get this. And I think this is the official Dyson dryer. They even illustrated it on here. Okay. Whoa. This is what's going on inside. What is going on here? Did I buy a vacuum or did I buy a hair dryer? Oh, it's cute. I'm pretty sure everyone has seen it, or maybe not. I don't know. Oh no, it doesn't have a swivel cord. I'm all for the swivel cords. This doesn't have a swivel cord. This is huge. This is huge. I don't know what that is. Oh, we've also got something here. Oh, okay, this cord, wow. This cord honestly feels like a vacuum cord. The cord is probably where all the magic happens. These are the things that it does come with. This is a, I think they call this a diffuser, but this is if you have curly hair and you just want to like keep your curls and blow dry at the same time. And then this one is if, I believe you want like more targeted flow or whatever, this medium flow. Honestly, I don't really know, but good thing is we can find out. We've got the cold shot button, power on and off, and this at the bottom is a removable filter cage. So I did hear from Tati, she was saying that this could be the reason why your hairdryer stops working well, is that the filter gets dirty. So you have to make sure to clean this. And as you could see, it was really easy to remove. I'm assuming this is just a detangling comb. Whoa, that took out some hair. I have what's it called? A tangle tweezer? It's called a tangle teaser. So I would normally go in with this. No wonder why this is like the #1 rated detangler. Obviously, this works so much better than this. But oh my goodness. Although I do get more hair with this brush, like more, what am I trying to say? More hair comes out with this brush than if I were to use the detangler. I mean the wide tooth comb. So that's probably why this one is just better. So I'm probably better off using this one. But it's just hard to get the tangles out. Anyways, this isn't a review about this anyways. They just gave this to me for free. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in. So we're first gonna use it naturally. I'm scared. It's gonna be really loud. Okay, my dog got a little alarmed, but I'm actually pointing it the wrong way. It's supposed to go this way. It's not loud at all. All my other blow dryers are way louder than this one. And I think my dog likes the sound. Oh my god, it feels so nice too. I don't know what it is, but just the air feels really nice. It's like really powerful, but it has such a gentle sound and smooth air. Wow, this is really freaking powerful. So on here, I think you can change the pressure because it is kind of like powerful. And then here, I think you could change the level of the heat. So let's try that. I'm cool with this level. Ooh, it's hot. I feel a little deaf now. Like it's like really low, but when you put it close to your ear. Okay, so this part of my hair is fully dry. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to put heat protectant in my hair. So I have nothing in my hair. I just washed and shampooed and now it's done. I heard one person say that this doesn't dry your hair fast. I don't know what kind of hair they have, but it's so hot and it's like so focused that I don't understand how it wouldn't. So that is just using the thing by itself on the highest heat setting, and of course you can turn down the heat. Now I'm gonna try the cool setting, so let's see what that's like. It took a while to get there, but it almost felt like I was putting a fan on me. And I've never experienced that with a hair dryer because they always have the cool setting, but it's a little bit warm. This cool setting is, give it like roughly a minute and it almost feels like there's a fan on you. Does my hair feel smooth? Actually, come to think of it, it does. It does feel pretty smooth. I really just like the hair dryer in itself as opposed to like what it's doing to my hair. I love it. You can control the air. The air feels nice. And then you could turn down the heat because the highest heat setting was a little bit hot. So you can turn it down. And it's very enjoyable. I do not know how to explain it. But the air that hits you, it just feels nice. It feels nice. And it's not an annoying like kind of sound. It's just like that's not an annoying sound like whatsoever. I feel like you barely would even wake someone up compared to other blow dryers. It's so comfortable in the hand. It doesn't feel heavy at all. You would think this is heavy. It's not. I didn't even think about it being heavy or whatever. It's so comfortable in the hand. It almost feels like I'm gripping cushion, but I'm not because it's just completely metal. And I especially love this cool air because I love to blow cool air on my hair after, just because, you know, it's so hot. I want to cool it down quickly. I'm just thinking if I get hot one day, I could just use this. And I'm also really excited that this is so powerful. I'm gonna blow dry my dog's hair so quickly now. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the other sections. I really want to smooth out this part because my bang area, I want it to be more tamed. That's really cool. It just attaches like this. Sorry, that was a bad example. It just goes like this. I'm really liking this. Oh my god. I like you. Okay. Let's go and do this part. I'm going to turn it up a little bit higher and then put some heat settings probably on the highest. And let's see how this works. That would have taken me so much longer to dry that section of my hair. It basically just like straightened my bangs. But look at that. There's shine. I could just leave my house like this and I won't be too like... Normally my hair is just like it's almost sticking straight out. Like it'll be like this. But this one just... If I could get my hair to curl, if there could be a little bit of a wave, I would be totally content just wearing my hair like this. Now we're gonna use this is like the Concentrator. Oh. Okay. I kind of feel like this smoothed it out a little bit and made it straighter than this side. Yeah, now that I think about it, I feel like this top section is smoother than this bottom section. So I definitely think I will be using the smoother, or even this one. I want to look in my mirror now, because that's how you normally would look at my hair. Yeah, that's crazy. I honestly feel like I could just wear my hair like this normally. This is crazy. And now the top here, I'm going to use the diffuser. Oh, you're not allowed in here. Ooh, okay, I'm getting a little hot now. I should cool myself off with this. Wow, that actually really works. I wasn't expecting that. With the diffuser, we're gonna see if I can keep these curls. So we're gonna try this. And I guess you just scrunch it up. Or maybe you take it like this. Scrunch it up. That feels good. Ow, hot! Okay. Ow, it's hot now. Is it dry yet? Hot! This takes a little bit longer to dry. Let's turn up the fan. And this one's interesting because the air is not really blowing out that strongly. You could barely feel it. It's a very gentle, smooth air. So I'm assuming maybe most of it's going on through here. I don't know. It's cool that it's able to do that. I'm gonna turn down the heat now, or we'll put the cool setting on. That's cool. I've never used a diffuser before, but now my hair is all dry and it's curly. If my hair stays like this and it doesn't frizz up or get bigger, I would definitely leave my hair like this. And it also is really smooth too. It actually looks a bit silkier and smoother. Let's do a side by side, I guess. I'm pretty much done with the review now. Everything is dry. Oh my goodness, I like that. So this is the curly side, and then this is the non-curly side. I am far more impressed with this than I thought I was going to be. I really was thinking that I might have to return this. The air feels so amazing. I can't, like I said, I can't explain it. Already said it, but it feels so nice, and I love how the sound is so quiet, and I love how this feels in my hand. So now I kind of can understand why it's so expensive, because it's got all of this stuff going on, and a lot of these things you wouldn't even expect or think about. I would never think that I could get like soft air on my skin. It's not like, oh my god, there's air blowing on me. It's like, it's soft air, and you can control the temperature, which I know some hair dryers can do that, but this is just so much more convenient. And then you can also control how harsh the air is, how strong the air comes out. So that is definitely innovative. I haven't seen that. And again, I haven't seen just full on cold air. It's usually warm air. I mean, I'm kind of just repeating myself at this point, but it's so nice. Like, the device is so nice. It feels so nice. It's lightweight, even though it looks really heavy, and you could probably hurt someone with this, but the handle is really lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I did hear from another reviewer that she's had this for 3 years and it's still going strong, and she saw a major improvement in the health of her hair. That is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it so that I know how it is doing. And yeah, subscribe, because there's gonna be more review videos coming up. And if you like hair product videos, I've got some coming up too. So make sure you subscribe. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another one. Bye. Benji's saying bye with his foot. Okay.